In 2026, making money online is no longer just an option, it's becoming a necessity for people who want financial freedom, flexibility, and control over their time. But here's something very important before we even begin. Don't skip this video. Seriously, you don't need to open another app. You don't need to write anything down. And you definitely don't need to overthink it. Just listen carefully to what I'm about to tell you. Let this play in the background if you want, because every single part of this video is designed to give you clarity. Most people miss opportunities, not because they are hard, but because they don't pay attention at the right time. And right now, you're at the right place. So just listen, because what I'm about to share can genuinely help you understand how people in the US are making money online every single day in 2026. Let's start with the first method, AI-powered freelancing. This is one of the biggest shifts happening right now. A few years ago, freelancing required strong skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing. But today, artificial intelligence has completely changed the game. You don't need to be an expert anymore. AI tools can help you generate content, design visuals, edit videos, and even create marketing campaigns. Your job is not to do everything. Manually, your job is to guide the AI and deliver results faster than others. Businesses are actively looking for people who can save them time. If you can use AI to complete tasks quickly and efficiently, you become valuable immediately. For example, you can create blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions using AI tools and offer them as services. Even basic tasks like email writing or caption generation are in demand. The best part is that you can start with zero investment. What matters is your ability to understand what the client needs and deliver it in a clean, professional way. The people who are taking action in this space right now are the ones building consistent income streams, while others are still just watching from the sidelines. Now let's move to the second method, Faceless YouTube Automation. This is one of the most powerful and scalable ways to make money online today. And here's the interesting part: you don't need to show your face at all. You don't need a camera, and you don't need to be a public speaker. All you need is a simple system. You create a script, record a voiceover, add captions, and use stock footage or basic visuals in the background. That's it. Channels in niches like finance, AI, motivation, and side hustles are performing extremely well in the US market. These videos are designed to keep people engaged through storytelling, curiosity, and value. And once your videos start getting views, you can earn money through ads, affiliate links, and brand deals. The real secret here is consistency. Most people upload 1 or 2 videos and quit because they don't see results immediately. But the ones who keep going, those are the ones who win. Every video you upload is like an asset. It keeps working for you even when you're not actively doing anything. Over time, this builds into a passive income stream that can grow month after month. The third method is affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest ways to start making money online, yet most people do it the wrong way. Affiliate marketing is not about spamming links or forcing people to buy something. That approach doesn't work anymore. What works in 2026 is value and trust. You recommend products or services that actually help people, and you explain them in a simple, clear way. For example, if there's a tool that helps people create content faster or manage their finances better, you can talk about it in your video. You explain how it works, why it's useful, and who should use it. When people trust your recommendation, they click your link and make a purchase, and you earn a commission. The best part is that you don't need to create your own product. You don't deal with customer support, and you don't handle any logistics. Your only job is to connect the right product with the right audience. And when done correctly, this can become a powerful income stream that grows as your audience grows. Now let's talk about the fourth method, digital products. This is where things start to become really interesting, because this method has the potential to create true passive income. A digital product is something you create once and sell multiple times. This could be an ebook, a guide, a template, a checklist, or even a simple course. In 2026, people are constantly looking for information that saves them time or helps them make money. If you can package useful knowledge into a simple product, People are willing to pay for it. And here's the key point: you don't need to be an expert. You just need to know something that someone else doesn't. Even if you're just one step ahead, you can still teach others. For example, if you learn how to use AI tools effectively, you can create a beginner-friendly guide and sell it online. The cost of creating digital products is almost zero, but the potential returns are unlimited. Once your product is live, it can generate income again and again without additional effort. This is why many people focus on this method after building an audience. Finally, the fifth method is remote online services. This includes jobs like virtual assistants, social media management, content scheduling, and basic consulting. Businesses in the United States are constantly looking for people who can help them manage their daily tasks remotely. They don't always want to hire full-time employees, so they prefer freelancers who can work on demand. If you have basic skills like communication, organization, or creativity, you can turn them into a service. For example, you can manage someone's social media account, reply to messages, schedule posts, or handle simple administrative tasks. These might sound small, but they are essential for businesses and they are willing to pay for it. The more experience you gain, the more you can charge, and eventually, you can even build a small team and turn it into an agency. This method is great for people who want stable and consistent income without relying on unpredictable trends. Now here's something you need to understand very clearly. All of these methods work, but only if you focus on one at a time. Most people fail because they try to do everything at once. They jump from one idea to another without giving anything enough time to grow. If you really want results, pick one method and commit to it. Give it your full attention. Learn, improve, and stay consistent. Once you start seeing results, you can always expand into other areas. Another important factor is consistency. This is where most people give up. They try for a few days or a few weeks and then stop because they don't see immediate results. But making money online is not about quick wins, it's about building systems that work over time. The people who succeed are not always the most talented, but they are the most consistent. They show up every day, they keep learning, and they keep improving, and eventually their efforts start to pay off. Also, don't ignore the power of timing. Right now, in 2026, we are in the middle of a major shift. AI is changing how people work, how businesses operate, and how money is made online. This creates opportunities, but only for those who take action early. If you wait too long, the competition becomes stronger, and it becomes harder to stand out. That's why this moment is important. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Think about it this way. Every successful person you see today started as a beginner. They didn't have everything figured out. They made mistakes, they learned it, and they kept going. The difference is that they took action when others were still thinking about it. And that's exactly what you need to do. So as you finish listening to this, don't just move on to the next video and forget everything. Take a moment and decide which method makes the most sense for you. Keep it simple, start small, and most importantly, stay consistent, because one decision, just one, can completely change your direction. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you don't need to do everything, you just need to start. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. The methods shared are based on current trends and opportunities, but results are not guaranteed. Your earnings will depend on your effort, skills, consistency, and market conditions. Always do your own research before starting any online income method. This content does not provide financial or investment advice.